We believe is so much more interesting for us as NOA is leaving our comfort zone and not just say, for example, there is this certain NOA style that everybody understands within a second. We simply believe that seeing NOA as a form of open laboratory is so much more interesting for us because, let's say, escaping from your own comfort zone makes you come up with new elements, new ideas, new stylistic expressions, which of course, once again, are strongly linked to what we find when we come to new places, new spaces, new areas. For us, it would be a nightmare if you would say, okay, whether this project of NOAA's is in Alaska or in South Africa, it still looks kind of the same. So what we believe, also talking about the materials, the patterns, the shapes, the patinas, the colors, is so much more about we are continuing to write the history. We're doing architecture.
My name is Stefan Rier, founder of NOA Network of Architecture.
I am Lukas Rungger, founder of NOA, and this is the Architect Series.